Starting July, Indian developers will have to pay 15% instead of 30% to Google for all in-app purchases. The US tech giant Google has decided to reduce the commission fee from developers by 50%, toeing the line of its competitor, which announced a similar cutback on commission fee last year. Apple has rolled out a new feature which enables users to look for COVID-19 vaccine locations on its map. The feature currently has over 20,000 vaccine centers listed in the US, and the tech giant plans to expand that number over time. This feature can be accessed similar to how vaccine centers can be located on the app. With minors being the most vulnerable group on social media platforms, Instagram has announced a new feature that will block adults from sending unsolicited messages to minors. The social media giant made the announcement in a blog post where it added that will also warn minor if an adult they are being approached by is showing suspicious behavior. As part of a new consumer protection law in Russia that requires pre-installation of few apps, Apple will start allowing pre-installation of these apps on its devices in Russia starting 1st of April. The apps will be allowed only if they comply with App Store guidelines, and the law was signed in 2019 to help local developers compete better. The number of plaintiffs in a lawsuit against Google has risen to 15 after 4 more US states, Alaska, Florida, Montana, Nevada, and Puerto Rico joined the lawsuit, which was filed in December. The lawsuit accuses Google of breaching antitrust laws to boost its already dominant business. The Indian Space Research Organisation will most likely launch Aditya L1, its first solar mission, later this year. The mission was delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic and will travel 1.5 million miles from the Earth's surface in order to study the giant fireball in the center of our solar system. Chinese companies which were battered by former US President Donald Trump's investment ban have a reason to cheer after a US court suspended the ban on Xiaomi, which was accused of having links with the Chinese military. The companies have reached out to major law firms across the US to challenge their ban, just like Xiaomi did. A teaser shared on Twitter by Realme's VP Madhav Seth shows Realme 8 Pro's illuminating yellow color option. The 12-second video shared by Seth gives a good look at the Realme 8 Pro's back. It shows the phone featuring a bright yellow colored camera module and Dare to Leap slogan that's seen to glow in the dark. Last year saw a double-digit surge in ransomware, IoT threats, new malware, and cryptojacking in what Sonic Wall has described as a tipping point in the cyber arms race.